All right, so you've set up your goals for the year. Amazing. Let me guess. Somewhere on that list is get more clients or bring in more leads. Sound familiar? If it does, you're in the right place because today we're creating your simple lead plan for 2025. No fluff, no overwhelm, just a clear, doable way to attract more leads and grow your business.
Hey, I'm Veronica De Polo, and with more than 15 years being a marketing strategist, are you ready for actionable bite-sized episodes about business advice on marketing, branding, and messaging to take your business to the next level? If you're a service business owner, we'll show you how to attract qualified leads on social media and beyond. We'll reveal the art of showcasing your brand effectively and will uncover the best strategies to hook your audience so they keep coming for more. Say goodbye to outdated marketing strategies and embrace the power of change. Welcome to the Branding Momentum Podcast.
Now, lead generation doesn't have to be this big, complicated machine. You don't need fancy funnels or to be on every single platform. What you do need is focus and a plan that fits your strengths, your business, and let's be honest, your energy and your patience. So today we're breaking it down into 3 steps. By the end of this episode, you'll have a lead generation plan that actually works and doesn't feel like another full-time job, because that is not what we do here. So the first thing that I want you to do is to pick your platform. And let's talk about a little bit about platforms. I know it can feel like you have to be everywhere. Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, email, podcasting. That list is endless. And for people like me in marketing, that is kind of true. We test things out because that's our job. But here's the reality. Most of you don't need to be everywhere. You need to be where your potential clients are and where you can actually show up consistently. So for me right now is email is my thing. And I write my list every single day because that's where I'm building the most trust and getting leads. For example, if your clients are scrolling through Instagram, that's your spot. If there are other business owners, like LinkedIn might be your gold mine. The key is to start in one platform this quarter. Go deep, see what works, and then expand from there. But I wanted to tell you something. Wherever you are, wherever you like to be, wherever platform you like to choose, might not be the platform that your potential ideal clients are. You know where they really are. So try and find that platform and double down there. Don't go all the platforms. Okay? Now, the second thing that I want you to try to do is to create one lead magnet. Now that you picked your platform, let's talk about lead magnets. Fancy word, I know. But all it means is something that you create that is valuable enough for people to give you their email in exchange. A checklist, a short guide, a quiz. Keep it simple and make it something your clients actually do need, not something that you want to create. Here's where most people go wrong. And trust me, I've been there too many times. They create a lead magnet that they want to talk about, not what their ideal clients are struggling with. Your freebie isn't about you. It is about them. It's the one question they're always asking. So what's the problem they can't figure out? That's your actual starting point. If you know the answer to that, that's where you're going to be starting. Oh, and if you need a little bit of help, I've got a lead magnet template Canva that is just for free to help you create your lead magnet without the headache. I'll leave you the link in the show notes so you can grab it and get started on that today. Quick question. Do you feel like marketing your business takes way too much time? Like between creating content and figuring out what to say and actually running your business, something's always falling through the cracks. Well, I've got you covered. I've created 3 bundles designed to take the guesswork out of your marketing. These aren't just, random templates. They're tools. Scratch that. They're strategies to help you get organized, attract potential clients, and actually feel in control of your business. Whether you're focused on Instagram, email marketing, or creating offers that sell, there's a bundle for you. Think of them as your business BFFs. Always ready when you need them, no overthinking required. So head to the description now to check them out, grab what you need, and start the year off right. You've got this, my friend. Now, the third thing that I want you to do is to show up for 30 minutes every day. And this next step is where most people actually do drop the ball. You've picked your platform, you've created your lead magnet, and then crickets. Why? Because you're not showing up enough. You're not showing up to what they maybe signed up to. And here's the deal, 30 minutes a day, no excuses. I'm not talking about scrolling on Instagram or watching TikToks. No, unless your DMs are full of hot leads and questions that's moving you closer to where your goal is, great. But instead, use that time to write emails. Use that time to create post. Use that 30 minutes to engage with your audience or reach out to potential clients. Think of it this way. Everything you do in your day should lead to 2 things. Bring in money or bring in leads. Anything else? Hasta la vista, baby. Sayonara. Bye-bye. Your time is too valuable for fluff or other things that you might think that you need to do, or admin. Now, let me tell you about the first lead magnet I ever made. It was this beautifully designed guide that I was so proud of. I spent weeks on it. And guess what? Not a single download. 0. Nada. You know why? Because it wasn't for my ideal clients. It was 100% for me. I created something that I thought was cool instead of solving the problems that my clients were actually struggling with. And the lesson learned, your lead magnet isn't about you. It is about them. And I will say it as long as I can, over and over again. And I want you to think, what are their struggles? What do they need right now? The moment I switched to creating something my clients actually needed and wanted, everything completely changed. Oh, in the lesson we learned, my little grasshoppers, sometimes it's the hard way. And here's your homework for this week. I want you to actually pick one platform, brainstorm on one lead magnet idea that solves the real problem for your clients. If you don't know where to start building your freebie, download my lead magnet right now to get a template on how to build it. And then I want you to block out your 30 minutes a day to focus on lead generation tasks. And yes, that means actually doing the work, not just scrolling. And if you're stuck on what to create for your lead magnet, send me a DM or an email. I am there and I would love to brainstorm with you. All right, guys, this is a wrap for today. And let's keep it simple, focused, and actually moves the needle in your business. And remember, consistency is your best friend, especially in these few months of the year when we really need that push, and we need to learn to be consistent every single day. So we keep on doing the consistency throughout the year. So I'll see you same time, same place next week. Bye-bye.